Hey guys, it's Dami, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to bypass the MDM or remote management lock on an iPhone or an iPad. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to restore the iPhone that I'll be using to show you the MDM bypass. After that restore, you can see that it does have remote management from Coca-Cola company.
All we guarantee is a little change. Don't want my heart to feel this way again. I just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. I just need a little more time to make sure that we're doing this right. Just need a little more time to make sure what we're doing is right. I just need a little more time to make sure that we're doing this right.
Next step is I'm going to go restore the phone one more time to get rid of that remote management screen and Wi-Fi information. Once the restore is done, we're going to go click on the iPhone tab to make sure the phone activates through Finder. This step is crucial because without this step, the MDM tool is going to show errors, so make sure you do this part after the restore. once the activation is done, what's next is to open up the MDM 2, which is going to patch it. And I'm gonna leave a link down below for all y'all to go download it and give it a shot by yourselves on your Mac. Okay, so once that's done doing its thing, it's gonna restore the phone, like restore in progress, but it's just installing the patch onto the phone. After that process is done, what's next is just to sign into your Wi-Fi, sign into your Apple ID, and restore, or to set up as a brand new iPhone. But you could also restore a backup of another phone if you already had that already on your Mac or in the cloud. So either way, as long as all this is done, you've successfully bypassed the MDM thing. Basically, that's it. That's how you bypass an MDM or a remote management iPhone or iPad or iPod. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.